In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Trello cards repeat. If you manage routines or recurring tasks, this walkthrough will show you how to use Trello's built-in automation to automatically create a fresh card whenever a trigger happens, so you don't have to rebuild the same task over and over. Start by opening Trello and heading to your board's page. Choose the board where you want the repeating behavior. On that board, look for the automation button at the top. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Butler. Open it, then go to the Rules tab. Rules let you define a simple when this happens, do that flow. Create a new automation. We'll begin by adding a trigger. Select Add Trigger, then choose when a card is added to list and pick the specific list that will kick this off. Think of this as your starting lane, maybe a list called Recurring Tasks or a handoff list where you drop items that should clone themselves. Choosing the right list is important because it determines when your repeat happens. Next, add an action. Click the plus sign to add the first action, and in the action picker, choose the Add Remove category. From there, select Create a new card with title. Then type the title you want your repeating card to have, and choose the destination list where the new card should appear. A practical tip here: to avoid accidental loops, make sure the destination list is different from your trigger list. If you create the card in the same list that triggers the rule, you could generate endless duplicates. If you'd like to extend the automation, you can click the plus sign again to add more actions. Things like assigning a member, adding a label, or setting a due date. That's optional, but it's helpful for building a complete recurring workflow. If you don't need extra steps, you can skip this and proceed. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your rule is now active. Test it by adding any card to the trigger list you selected. You should see Trello automatically create a new card with the title and destination you configured. If it doesn't appear, refresh the board and confirm the trigger list and action list are set correctly. Also keep in mind that automation command limits depend on your plan. That's it. You've created a simple, reliable way to make Trello cards repeat using rules, triggers, and actions. No extra tools required.